Proton therapy for prostate cancer. Proton beam radiation. What is proton therapy for prostate cancer? Proton beam therapy for prostate cancer is a treatment option that involves using a focused ray of proton particles to destroy cancerous tissues. The treatment is capable of delivering precise, high doses of radiation to accurately target cancer cells without causing damage to healthy tissue surrounding the prostate. Advantages of proton therapy for prostate cancer. Proton therapy has proven to show remarkable promise and advantages over conventional therapy, especially in the treatment of prostate cancer. Proton radiation therapy's accuracy and the control it gives physicians in terms of adapting treatment make it a non-invasive and low-risk option for prostate cancer treatment. Benefits of proton prostate cancer treatment. Proton therapy improves the quality of life for prostate cancer patients and survivors by offering a number of compelling benefits. One, it is non-invasive and therefore painless. 2. It is more accurate than other kinds of radiation. 3. Full or higher doses of radiation can be used for treatment without damaging healthy tissues and organs. 4. Treatment is provided in an outpatient setting. 5. Proton radiation therapy does not require recovery time. 6. The treatment has little to no impact on a patient's energy level. 7. Proton therapy poses minimal risk of impotency. 8. The treatment has lower risk of side effects compared with conventional treatment. Thanks for your watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.